In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to modify your Facebook Marketplace profile to increase sales. Start by opening Facebook on your phone or computer and heading to your profile, since buyers often check it before deciding to message you. Think of this as your storefront. A clean, trustworthy profile can make the difference between getting ignored and getting a sale. Begin with your profile photo. Choose a real, clear picture of your face with good lighting and no blur. A friendly smile goes a long way in building trust. Avoid using logos or graphics unless you're operating from a dedicated business page. People buy from people they feel they can trust, and a genuine photo instantly sets the right tone. Next, make sure your name looks credible. Use your real name rather than nicknames or gimmicky titles. A professional name increases buyer confidence and can lead to more replies. If anything looks off or overly promotional, some buyers will scroll past without giving your listings a chance. Update your location to your current city and make sure it matches the locations on your listings. This helps you appear in nearby searches and reduces confusion about pickup or delivery. Accuracy here saves time and avoids awkward back and forth later. Add a short, clear bio that highlights what shoppers care about. Something like online seller, fast shipping, trusted seller communicates reliability at a glance. Keep it simple, honest, and easy to read. A few well-chosen words can build instant credibility. Clean up your timeline. Buyers sometimes scan your activity, so remove or hide anything that looks suspicious, spammy, or overly negative. Aim for a profile that feels friendly and professional. If needed, adjust privacy settings so only relevant content is visible to the public. Work on building positive ratings, deliver great service, follow through on pickup or shipping times, and politely ask happy buyers to leave a review. Respond quickly to messages and keep communication clear. Consistent 5-star experiences create powerful social proof. Stay active and responsive. Reply as quickly as you can and avoid leaving people on red. Being present and helpful signals reliability and keeps momentum in a sale. Show proof of transactions when appropriate. You can share sold item screenshots, buyer feedback, or packing and delivery photos. Just be sure to hide any private details. This kind of evidence reassures new buyers that you're the real deal. Use a consistent selling style. Keep your photo backgrounds clean, your captions clear, and your presentation uniform. A cohesive look makes you appear organized and trustworthy. Finally, if you're scaling up, consider creating a Facebook page. It looks more professional, allows advertising, and keeps personal and business activity separate. With these profile tweaks, you'll build trust faster and turn more views into actual sales.